prayed over this month, believing that everything is going to fall into place. Hey guys, so get ready with me, but we're going to talk. So let's look at what I'm going to wear today. I'm feeling a little comfortable, not too dressy, but business casual. So I have something in mind. Let me show you. So I have this cute A-line skirt and this denim top. I am really feeling this. So let's put it together and let's see how it comes out. So welcome to the month of April. I'm actually excited about this month. I prayed over this month and believing that everything is going to fall into place. I realized that this month I get to be a little bit more disciplined. And I'll tell you more about that, like as far as what I mean discipline. Discipline in the way that I move. I realized like in the last couple of months, I really haven't been disciplined, and I'll use this as an example. I get 8 classes for Pilates, right? Out of the 8, I'm gonna skip 2. And I know you're probably saying, that's not too bad. But this month, I want to challenge myself to do all 8 classes and not skip any. So that's what I mean when I say I need a little bit more of discipline, and challenging myself to be more disciplined is probably what I should say. I think this is how I'm going to wear this shirt. It's cute. So I said that I wanted to be very casual. I'm gonna wear my red Converses. I feel like this looks really good together. There's something about denim black with a hint of red that just looks so freaking cool. Yeah, I want to challenge myself to be more disciplined this month. Yeah. And another thing that I'm noticing about me is I can't overload myself with goals, because there's something in my brain that's gonna say, forget everything. So I gotta tackle one thing at a time. The scent we're going with today is Tory Burch. I haven't really worn this in a minute, but I love it. It's very soft. Well, added my accessories. Don't really do much. This is normally what I'm gonna do. I always keep my earrings very simple. This is the look for today. Super cute. I have my work bag, and the only thing I need to do is put my glasses on so I can really see. But I am looking forward to challenging myself this month and being more disciplined. And not just, well, using up all of my Pilates sessions, but in other areas where I feel like I'm not so disciplined. Those are the areas that I really want to work on this month. So see what it's gonna be at the end of this month if I was able to do it. Yeah. So I'm looking forward to that challenge. But anywho, you guys have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you later.